Hey, Eric the Bearded Tool Guy. This is my KOBALT right angle impact wrench. Let's see what model this is. That's the only one they make. 3/8 sold over at Lowe's. Let's remove a bunch of lags I did with my rigid test. Okay. It's on the highest speed. There's actually only one speed on this. Okay. Now, let's go with this. Wish this thing was really a 1/2-inch drive instead of a 3/8. I'm going to buy the new rigid right angle impact wrench, but it's going to be 1/2-inch drive. It's not going to be no freaking 3/8. Okay. Let's remove some big timber locks and little timber locks. These are 10-inch timber locks and some 4-inchers and some ledger locks. Another ledger lock. Comes another timber lock. Another big whopper. Another ledger lock. Another timber lock. It's like another ledger lock. Okay. Got all the locks. Everything but Sandra Lock. She was a great actress. Okay. Now, let's move these, what looks like to be some more, legs. Looks like to be a 10-inch leg, a whopper. Here comes another one. Okay, now this is the 4 amp ultimate output down to 3 bars. So I really can't wait for the new rigid right angle impact wrench to come out. I'm going to get it with the 1/2 inch anvil, and I'm going to probably run the 3 amp octane on it because that'll fit just like this 4 amp ultimate output. And I figured then we'll face them off and see who wins. I know it's available, but it's not available for order. I went to Home Depot and got that dual rapid charger for, my rigid tools, but they said you can't even order it, sir. It's like, what the hell? So hopefully it comes out soon. I'd like to order that bad boy and get it as soon as it's out so I could be the second or third one on YouTube with it. Eric the Bearded Tool Guy, signing off.